Welcome to Media City News. News for the day. Over 6,500 new coronavirus cases in India. That toll climbs to 4,167. Aruvikara Dam shutter opened. Tipplers consuming sanitizers instead of alcohol. Google approves BevQ, BevCo to operate from this week. Rupees 1,000 for BPL Antyodaya card holders. Locust swarm hits Jhansi. News in detail. (4,167) have died in the country due to COVID-19. The total number of cases is 1,45,380. The number of active cases has climbed to 80,722. As many as 60,490 people have recovered. Of the total 4,167 fatalities, Maharashtra tops the tally with 1,695 deaths, followed by Gujarat with 888 deaths, Madhya Pradesh with 300, West Bengal with 278, Delhi with 276, Rajasthan with 167, Uttar Pradesh with 165, Tamil Nadu with 118, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana with 56 deaths each. Kerala has reported 5 deaths so far. The Aruvikara Dam shutter has been opened as high as 30 meters. This is following a warning from the Disaster Management Authority that there will be heavy rain on the hillsides tonight in Thiruvananthapuram. The district authorities had told earlier that the dam will be opened under inevitable circumstances. Residents along the Karamana River should be alert. Alcoholics are consuming sanitizers instead of alcohol as beverages outlets and bars remain closed. In a Manorama News investigation, tipplers told that they drink sanitizers mixed with lemon and juices. This practice is rampant in Alappuzha district. Though sanitizers contain alcohol, consumption of this can lead to deaths. There is no provision in the government to regulate the consumption of sanitizers. Those who have been regularly buying 2 or 3 bottles of sanitizers at a time say that sanitizer sellers do not doubt if they are buying it for consumption or sanitation. Google has given approval to BevQ app that lets people buy alcohol through a virtual queue. Beverages Corporation said that the outlets may be opened this week itself. However, before starting the app, a load testing also needs to be conducted to test the capacity of the app. As per Faircode that developed the app, it can manage 34 lakh customers at a time. Excise Minister T.P. Ramakrishnan will hold meetings with Excise Commissioner and BevCo Managing Director to decide when the outlets should be opened. The app will allow e-tickets to people as per their PIN code. Customers can buy only 3 liters of alcohol at a time, and that too only once in 4 days. For BPL Antyodaya card holders who have not received any benefits under COVID-19 economic package, an amount of rupees 1,000 would be awarded. Corporation bank staff will reach to the resident's place and hand over the amount till June 6. The female head of the house, as per the ration card, would be given the cash. The beneficiaries have to submit an affidavit saying that they have not received any monetary help awarded due to COVID. The locust swarm, which affected more than 33 districts of Rajasthan, have entered Jhansi in Uttar Pradesh. A locust is an invasive species that destroys agricultural crops. UP had prepared with chemical sprays and fire to control the 3-kilometer swarm. The swarm has concentrated near the river beds, affecting soya and vegetable plantations. Headlines once again. Over 6,500 new coronavirus cases in India. That toll climbs to 4,167. Aruvikara Dam shutter opened. Tipplers consuming sanitizers instead of alcohol. Google approves BevQ, BevCo to operate from this week. Rupees 1,000 for BPL Antyodaya card holders. Locust swarm hits Jhansi. Thank you for listening to Media City News. Have a good day. Welcome to Express News. Thank you for listening to Express News. Have a good day.